Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. In this video, we are going to make a craft from plastic waste, so just go to video. After collecting the waste, go directly to the next step.
Craft from plastic, tools, sky source and glue, material, straw and stick.
How to make? The first step is insert 3 sticks into the straw.
Then make 3 types of straws, size from large, small and medium.
Then form a pentagon of the 3 types of size from. Shape in the letter V in a medium-sized pentagon on each side of the pentagon as shown in video.
Pass the large pentagon about the V pattern that has been made. On each corner of the pentagon, stick a long straw that goes up. Pass the smallest pentagon above each end of the existing straw. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.